Hello, my name is Angelita Lorenzo. I'm the co-founder and CCO of Ubique Bio, a biotech startup dedicated to developing synthetic peptides for the diagnosis of human infectious diseases. We are working to develop synthetic peptides resulting in highly specific antigens that can reduce cross-reactivity issues. These peptides are also sensitive, thermostable, and cost-effective to produce and purify. We aim to incorporate these synthetic peptides into multiplex rapid tests, allowing for simultaneous diagnosis for several diseases per patient. To further advance our technology and address our challenge, Ubique Bio participates in Cytiva Dx Challenge and emerged as winners for the immunoassay rapid test challenge. This achievement provides us a remarkable opportunity to receive coaching sessions with specialists in Dassel. The experience was transformative, enhancing our knowledge of the lateral-flow assay, including some crucial variables that often overlooked in scientific papers. During the coaching sessions, we engage in simulating discussions and idea exchange to the immobilization of proteins and peptides to the support, and a complexity of multiplexing several diseases in the strip. Cytiva experts added significant value to our ideas. Our next steps will be to share all learnings with our team and make the necessary adjustments to improve sensitive and multiplex rapid tests using our synthetic peptides so that they can be used in point of care. The knowledge gained and the lessons learned during these coaching sessions have already proven invaluable, saving us a month of the development time. We are grateful for the expertise and support provided by Cytiva. It has accelerated our progress and positioned us to overcome challenge more effectively.
We have seen a lot of new ideas for applications spreading in publications around the market, and we would like to encourage you to come to us with your ideas. We will help you, we can support you in your test development, and you will benefit from the work with us in order to get your test to the market faster.
I highly recommend other companies that are driven by challenge and innovation in the development of immunoassay based on lateral flow assay to participate in this competition. Scientists of Cytiva Labs possess exceptional expertise and dedication for elevating developments to a new level.